back with me for Summernats USA. This will be my first trip taking my gear on a plane. So hopefully everything goes well. Hopefully we can get everything to fit. We got the Ulanzi BP09. We're going to try and use this as our personal carry-on, so we're going to try and put as much of our gear as we can in here. This bag has quite a bit of space. This camera bag has an easy access side pocket right here. So I think we're going to leave one of the lenses attached to the camera so we can get some photos along the way. It also has a pocket here for some extra batteries. So we're gonna start with, we have our Sony A7 III with a 24-70 2.8. We're gonna put that here. Okay, we're also bringing our FX30 for video. No lens attached to that at the moment. Let's see, that should fit here. Close this up for now. So this is our custom built quick mount cage design for the FX30. It has a peak design where it just clips right in. We put our monitor on, so try to keep this together all in one piece other than the top handle. This should fit perfectly right in here. Turn it around. Just like that. And here's our top handle. We're trying to get everything to fit as tight as possible, because the size on the bags are very restricted through the airport, and I don't want to have any problems. We got our 85mm 1.4, so that should be able to fit right in here, nice and snug, like that. Put this to hold it kind of in place. We have our Sigma 16mm. This is a great lens for our FX30 for all of our video. That should fit right in there. Okay, so in this bag I have my Portkeys PT52. This will be our monitor of choice. It's nice and small, and it should fit in here fairly well. Put it in this little bag just to keep it protected. I'll put it just like that. So we have this little JYZ charger case. It acts as a battery bank, but it also charges our A7 III and FX30 batteries, and then it also has a little storage compartment for 2 memory cards, so it comes in handy. But it also allows to charge the batteries via USB-C. So we're gonna bring that with us. We have a little Vivitar brush here for cleaning off dirt. Two V-mount batteries. I custom printed some cover plates for the back of these because the TSA wants to make sure that the terminals aren't going to contact anything and short out. So we have 2 of those. So as you can see here, the battery plate just slides right in. Those fit there. This is our sun shield for the monitor. Put that right in between our batteries. We'll have 2 MPF 970 batteries as just backups for our monitor, or backups in case our V-mounts don't last long enough. I also 3D printed some cover plates for these. and just slide right on like that. Those should fit in there fairly nice. Like that. I also have two of these 65-watt chargers. They're fairly good. They have two USB-Cs and a USB on them to help charge everything on the go. So I'm gonna be bringing these with me. And then we also have this is our Ulanzi plate with all the outputs on it for our MPF 970 battery. And then on the back I have a V-mount adapter, so this could double as an extra V-mount battery for us. So then this backpack came with this little pouch. I wasn't sure what to use it for, so I have a microfiber cleaning cloth in here, and then this little 3D printed case for my memory cards. I figured that would be good. We could set it in the side here where it's easy to access. Then we have our bunch of little Allen keys and miscellaneous tools for our rig. And then some extra screws and stuff for our rig as well. And this little guy, I just got this little guy. This is a Zoom F2 field recorder. As you can see, I use the DJI Mic Mini. They don't have internal recording, so this is a good way around it, because you could just plug the mic into this and this will record straight to a memory card from the DJI mics. So we're definitely bringing this guy. Tuck him in right here. Our little blower to clean the lens. The burnout cars and stuff create a lot of dust, so it's always good to have a blower with us. And I think that's it for most of our main gear. For this part of the bag, we have our laptop and our iPad still that can go right here in the case, the top of the case. So I got my MacBook, my iPad, which should fit right here. And then my MacBook should fit here. Perfect. Now the charger. This big charge block might be a little tight fit in here, but we're gonna try and make it work. Let's see, I could probably put it, let's see. Let's find a good place to put it. Maybe tuck it down on the side of the FX30 here, like that. Yeah. Now, we should be good. It's gonna be a fairly tight. I'm also bringing, I have two of these little RGB lights that, you know, change colors and all that fun stuff. But these are fairly compact and should fit easily in the front pocket. Oh, I almost forgot. We also have our Rode video mic. Should be able to just squish that in on the top right here. Turn this lens around. Just like that. Looks like that. So now, in the front pouch of this bag, there's a couple little pockets here. So I think I'm gonna put my KNF, ND and CPL filter on one side. I'm gonna put my RGB light on the other side. And then I think I'm gonna throw in all my extra wires, keep it as compact as possible. And that's our camera bag. The only other thing I might stick in here is I'm gonna bring my ZV-E10 to vlog the trip and kind of go along the way. But right now I'm currently recording on that. I might throw some extra batteries for my ZV on the side pocket, so they're easy to access. But I'm excited for the trip. I do have some other things like magic arms and clamps and my mouse, my DJI mic. This is all not necessity stuff, so if it gets lost on the plane or it gets delayed on the plane, I won't, you know, I can make do without it. So all this stuff is gonna go in my bag with my carry-on with my clothing, but this bag will stay with me on the plane, as it is just the right size for the dimensions of a personal item. So yeah, I'm excited for the trip. Summernats is gonna be crazy. There's gonna be burnouts, there's gonna be drag racing, concerts, car show, all kinds of stuff, but I'm excited.